And we begin with a Colorado school claiming unfair treatment by the state's Universal Preschool program.
To participate in the UPK program, facilities aren't allowed to discriminate against their staff or students. And that's what one school is challenging before a U.S. district judge today.
Darren Patterson Christian Academy in Buena Vista says they only hire those who adhere to their religious beliefs, and that's their right, and they sued the state over the rules.
They're asking religious preschools, including Darren Patterson Christian Academy, to give up their religious hiring rights and their religious practices to participate in a benefit program, and we think that's unconstitutional under the First Amendment.
Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter was in the courtroom today and has the follow-up.
The federal lawsuit against Colorado's Universal Preschool program made its way before a judge on Thursday.
We want to provide opportunities, all the opportunities we can, to our staff, our students, and families, while remaining true to our religious beliefs.
Josh Drexler is the head of school for Darren Patterson Christian Academy in Buena Vista. Like many other schools across the state, they applied for the UPK program, where the state pays providers to cover the cost of some children attending preschool. The service agreement to participate in UPK says providers cannot discriminate against any person on the basis of their gender identity, sexual orientation, or religion.
The state is requiring Darren Patterson Christian Academy to give up its religious beliefs and practices, including their right to hire employees who share and live out its faith. That's not a universal program, and it's unconstitutional.
In court today, attorneys for the state pointed out DPCA has not been asked to leave the program, and to date, they've received around $25,000 from the state to fund the UPK students they are currently teaching. Attorneys for the state say they have not asked the school to change their hiring policies, and there is no current investigation into if they're complying with UPK rules.
There's no guarantee that the state will not enforce these rules against the school moving forward, and that's a real concern for Darren Patterson Christian Academy.
Arguments also focused on a UPK policy that does allow preschools to give preferential treatment to students already in a provider's congregation when giving spots away. The school's attorneys argue other faith-based schools may have discriminatory rules to be a congregation member in the first place, so they argue that's a religious exemption for those facilities. The state attorneys say no specific religious exemption has been given to anyone. That policy is meant to make space for kids who are already part of a community. The judge said it's a hard case, and they'll put together a written order at a later date. In Denver, I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
We've reached out to the Colorado Department of Early Childhood for a response. A spokesperson said, quote, "We're saddened to see different groups of adults attempting to co-opt preschool for their own ends and to discriminate rather than ensuring that all kids are welcome." Adding, voters were clear in their support for parent choice and a universal mixed delivery system that is independently run, that doesn't discriminate against anyone and offers free preschool to every child no matter who their parents are, end quote.
And going in depth now, the Denver Catholic Archdiocese and two of its parishes filed a lawsuit over similar claims. However, last month, Denver 7 spoke with a faith-based preschool who said they've seen major benefits being enrolled in the program while being open and affirming.
New Hope Preschool is a ministry of New Hope Presbyterian Church, and one of the church's values is putting people first. So that was kind of a no-brainer to be able to do this for the members of our community.
Typically, a 4-day program at New Hope Preschool costs $365 a month, and for some, it's now completely free. The compensation from the state also allowed the preschool to increase pay for teachers by $4 per hour. And looking closer now, you do have to apply to be able to get free preschool for your student. Even though the school year has already started, the state does accept applications for participating preschools. If you are interested, we do have a link on denver7.com. Just look for this story.